One of the options that you have in Google Slides is to publish your Google Slides to the web, and that gives you the option to have sort of like an autoplay. So when we're going to do this, I've got, for example, I have multiple slides here. They look very similar with a couple of changes in the text. So let's click on File, and then we're going to click on Publish to Web, and then we have a couple of options. You can share it with a link or you can embed it. So let's get started here. We're going to click on every 3 seconds so that you can see if you want to change it, make it faster or slower. So I'm going to keep it on every 3 seconds. And then I'm going to do start slideshow as soon as player loads. So that means it'll automatically start. And then I also want it to continue to play after the last slide finishes. Now I'm going to click on publish. And it's going to ask me if I want to publish. I'm going to click OK. And now I have this link. So I'm going to go back to my Google Slides presentation. I am going to press Control-C to copy, as it says to do here. And then I'm going to go back to my Google Slides presentation. And I'm going to insert this. All right, so here on my Google site, I have pasted the link for my published Google Slides. And then we're going to take a look at what it looks like when I click on the link. I'm going to go down here, click on my link, and now you can see what's going to happen. So every 3 seconds, it's going to transition to a new page. And because we have that same background, it just looks like a seamless transition there. Okay, and then once we get through all the slides, it will start over for us. The other option we have, instead of using the link that is clickable, if you have your Google site, for example, then sometimes, or even in other places, sometimes you can embed things. If you want to embed it, then this is what it will look like. We will go back to our slides, we will click on embed, and then we can also change the settings here. So I can change the size, I'm going to do small, and you can change the timing. I'm going to click on these again so it starts automatically and will restart once it's over. And now it's already published, so that means that all I have to do is click here and then press Control-C on my keyboard, or you can also right-click and click on Copy. And once we've done that, then we're going to go back to our Google site and we're going to embed it, or wherever you want to embed the resource. Okay, and now it's going to actually give me an example of what it looks like. So this is what it looks like, the difference between using the link and using the embedded slides. If you're able to embed, then it automatically shows up like this and it will play without having to click on the link.